Ready to transform your VEO 3 footage from ordinary to extraordinary and craft videos that truly captivate your audience. First up, let's dive into the power of color grading. Don't settle for the default settings. Experiment with contrast, brightness, and saturation to create a specific mood and enhance the visual appeal. Think about the story you're telling. A warm, vibrant palette can convey energy and excitement, while cooler tones can add a sense of drama and tension. Next, shot composition is key. While VEO 3 excels at capturing the whole field, remember to analyze the footage and select key moments and angles. Look for opportunities to highlight specific players, actions, or reactions. A well-composed shot draws the viewer's eye and adds depth to your storytelling. Storytelling: don't just show what happened. Tell a story. Think about the narrative arc of the game. Identify key moments, goals, saves, turning points, and structure your video around them. Use transitions and music to build suspense and create an emotional connection with your audience. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and find your own style. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to cinematic video. Watch other sports videos for inspiration, practice your editing skills, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Now go out there, capture some incredible footage, and create videos that will leave your audience wanting more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more VEO 3 tips and tricks.